Good morning, respected professors and other team members. Before I start sharing my business idea, I want to give warm thanks to all of you for sponsoring the entrepreneurship program for women. Pieces of advices from experts and guidance from the IIM professors helped me a lot to design my startup idea systematically and give me the confidence to apply my business idea practically. Now I have believed that I can also prove myself as a successful entrepreneur. I am Anjali Rajput from Delhi. I am a yoga instructor come teacher as well as research scholar. My business idea is associated with my profession and research area. After the fitness, secondly, big crisis of society is a pregnancy. Everyone wants a healthy baby. Although today's lifestyle, way of concerns and lack of appropriate knowledge collapse the real foundation of natural birth. Health related problems during and after the pregnancy periods and overall development of the babies. Generally, pre-parents are only concerned for the physical health of their babies, but wished parents also need to think once for mental health and spiritual points for their babies as well.
Agree. 3.
Yoga and pregnancy is a central key of their solution of their problems. Why yoga and pregnancy? As we all know, pregnancy is a gift of the God. Every woman loves to be a mother in her life. Being a mother, women feel complete. However, the process of pregnancy and delivery is not so easy. Women face many challenges, changes, and other many physical and mental health problems. Every woman wishes to believe these problems naturally without side effects. Yoga could be the best option for pregnancy because many types of research and research papers show the very realistic results to achieve natural birth delivery, preventing health issues and overall development of a child. My business idea is just like the famous proverb is necessity is the mother of inventions. Yes, pregnancy is the important, but the problem during the pregnancy is a challenge. My business idea is the key solution of these problems. The first problem is cesarean delivery. The second problem is health problems during and after the pregnancy. And the third problem is the overall development of the child. Cesarean delivery data. As per the rates of cesarean deliveries have more than doubled in India. From 8% deliveries in 2005 to 17% of deliveries in 2016 and now 20% in 2021. The WHO means the World Health Organization recommends that the cesarean deliveries should not exceed 10% to 15% of overall deliveries in any countries. So the cesarean delivery is a major issue in near future for the India. Health related problems during the pregnancy. As we all know, the women's face many challenges, many health related issues like physical problems and mental problems. Physical problems such as diabetes, back pain, body pain and others all. And the mental problems is like the labor pain phobia, anxiety and low or sad mood. So the health related issues is also very important to deal between the pregnancies. Overall development of child. What is the mean of overall development of child? Overall development child is a mean that the child grow not even on the one space, even from all the sides like mentally, physically and spiritually. Spiritually means subconscious mindly. As we all knew the story of Abhimanyu, the son of Arjun, he knew the Chakrabhedan strategy without practice, just because his subconscious mind intakes the great values of her mother. He died by Gauravas because he did not know how to break the last chakra. After all, her mother had slapped during the story narration. In the Hindu tradition, the Garbha Sanskar has its importance and value for child mental nourishment, the subconscious mind. Today, all parents want a healthy child, but they lapse the point of mental health or extraordinary subconscious things which can make their child more superior than she is. Benefits. What is the benefits of my idea? My idea provides a systematic, specific yoga to pregnant ladies. As we all know, that yoga is very common phenomena of today's age. But the systematic and the strategic and the tactic yoga is also very important to get the all benefits. Proper guidance to pregnant ladies for child's overall development. Overall development is also a concerning point for the children's and for the new babies. Strength. What is strength of my idea? My idea strength is basically depends upon the systematic, scientific and approved 9 months plan for overall development of child. Because the overall development of child is most important rather than the only health side of child. The concept based study which provide every woman to the specific and deep care for her health and her baby's health. How it is different ideas from other. It is also very important in this challenging era, because my idea is a proper systematic and scientific guidance oriented complementary way, as because we all know the hospitals facilities. This is a completely complementary way which can reduces mental health issues, many health issues of women during the pregnancy period and after the pregnancy period as well. The best care of child mentally, physically and spiritually. Natural way of without side effects is the important concerning point of this idea. So thank you to listen my whole idea. I hope you understand my idea completely and clearly.